I will never look at cough syrup the same way after what happened in India. Do you know what's really in your child's medicine? This could save a life. In India, at least 19 children died after taking cough syrup tainted with toxic chemicals. Deadly ingredients like diethylene glycol, meant for industry, not medicine, are slipping into medicines for kids. Experts urge children under 5 should never get cough syrup unless a doctor says so. Check every label. Talk to your doctor. Most coughs don't need medicine. Don't risk it. Share this to protect a child's life. World Neuroscientists Awards. Visit us neuroscientists.net. Contact us. Contact neuroscientists.net. Nominate now. Join with us. Stay tuned for more updates.